message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a state
Share it, dear.
and the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Antonio Police Department is searching for Lincoln Hernandez, white, male 12 years old, 5 feet 3 inches 98 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, gray sweater, blue shirt, black sweatpants and white shoes. The suspect is driving a black sedan with unknown license plate number. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7660. News media point of contact is San Antonio Police Department 210-207.
Flying along.